What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are working on this dresser and nightstand that I got lucky and found on the Facebook Marketplace for free. It's a solid wood piece by Kroller again, and it has 3 drawers up top, a single fake 3 drawers, and then 4 drawers down here, and then we have the nightstand that just has 1 single drawer. The overall condition of these 2 pieces were great considering they were free. There's an ink spot on top and it had a little shake to it, but we fix these things up as we go. The plan for this project is to add new legs, test out some fusion mineral paint, and to leave some bare wood like we did in our last project, but we won't be doing any funky lines. As always, we start with a screwdriver and let's remove all the hardware. Again. Anyways, after removing the hardware, it's good to use a degreasing product of some sort to clean your piece. You want your paint and primer to adhere as best as possible, and we want that grease off the furniture. Before we start sanding and painting this piece, we are going to flip it over, remove the old base, and attach some wood. It'll make it a bit sturdier, and it'll be a good spot for our new legs to attach onto. The first thing you want to do when removing the old base is to remove all the screws attaching it on. Once you remove the screws and your base doesn't just come off, you are going to have to take a screwdriver and a hammer or something to hit it off and basically pry it off because the glue can be pretty strong. Now I need to measure and cut some wood that I'm going to be attaching the new legs to for some extra support. To quickly explain this process, I'm just applying some wood glue and then I pre-drill some holes, add the screws in, and then just screw it in and wait until it dries. Pretty simple. Then I added some wood glue to keep things sturdy.
Way too much.
And of course I do a very similar process to the nightstand. After removing the old base, we can now prep for paint. So we'll sand with 180 grit sanding paper. And we're going to sand down to bare wood on the top of the nightstand and down on the bottom part of the nightstand as well. I decided to use stripper on the top of the dresser because the ink stain on top, I thought it would just remove that a little bit better. And of course it needed another coat of stripper. After stripping, it's best to use mineral spirits and some steel wool and just rub off all the sticky residue that's kicking around, and then you can use a rag and just wipe up all the mineral spirits, and then you should wait until it all evaporates before you start sanding anything down. Before adding any primer, I like to use a tack cloth just to remove all the dust, and I'm using Rust-Oleum's white primer just so the paint adheres better and we don't have any bleed through. After priming, it's best to use a 220 grit sanding sponge just to keep everything smooth and get rid of any imperfections in the spray. And then we're ready for paint, and in this project I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint. The first time I have ever tried it, and I must say I really like the product. And we're painting this in Algonquin, and this paint glides really nice.
Stuff glides so nice, holy crap.
So I'm using the Wooster brush again, just a little mini one, and just take my time. Enjoy the process. Before I add my second coat, I do a really light sand with a 220 grit sanding sponge again, just to make everything as smooth as possible. Now on to coat 2. So it only needed 2 coats of paint, so after that I'm moving on to the hardware. I'm using some Barkeeper's Friend and just warm water and let it sit on top, and you can rub it off I did this in one of my other videos, and you can see that's the before, and this is how it turned out after. Pretty good change. It wasn't perfect, but it made it look pretty new. Now we can do a quick cleaning, and I lay out a plastic drop cloth just for some dust control before we start spraying. I'm using Varathane Diamond Wood Finish water-based polyurethane, so I just pour it into my Wagner spray cup. I have 550 milliliters in there, so I usually add 10% water, which is 55 milliliters. Make sure to stir it up and do some test sprays before starting. In between coats, I just tape up the tip of the spray gun. After waiting 24 hours, I can flip these guys over and install the new legs. When the new legs are on, all that's left to do is install the hardware. And here's what the dresser and nightstand look like before we do any work. And here's what it looks like after, using some Fusion mineral paint in Algonquin and refurbishing some of that hardware, adding new legs. What do you think it's worth now? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.